Welcome to Short Movement YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to update your CapCut PC to the newest version. When you open CapCut PC, in the top right corner, you will see Settings button here. Then click on it. Go to Version down here. Click. Then you will receive this interface. Then click Check for Updates. Then you can install your newest version here. Also, once you log into CapCut PC, you can update your software to the newest version. Let us create a new project and log into CapCut PC. Click on here. Once you log into CapCut PC, in the top left corner, you will see menu. This one. Then click on it. Then more. Then down here, you will see your version. Click on it. Then you will get this window. Then here, you have check for updates. Click on it. Then you will get this window. In this window, you have a list of new features of next update. You can read them and install the new version. Don't worry, when you install, you won't lose your previous projects. All of them will be saved by CapCut PC. And when installation is complete, CapCut PC will restart itself automatically. Right, this is the end of today's tutorial. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me.